Well, if you have a Permagreen, you know and love the Smart Steer system, and Matt is going to show us how to adjust it today. It starts with these two nuts, right? And first of all, let's just point out, too, that Smart Steer is designed to take the pressure off the upper body, the shoulders, right?
Yeah, it's more or less a power steering mechanism. And as that begins to wear, you'll notice that it becomes more and more difficult to steer. So the first thing you can do is adjust this nut. These are two 9/16 wrenches. And we'll just back that out. And the farther that you back this nut out, the more braking or the more steering assist you'll get.
On that side, on that particular side.
On that side.
Same thing with this one. You back this one out?
Yeah, everything that we're going to show you today is mirrored on the other side.
Perfect.
It's all the same thing. So, however, once that comes all the way to the edge and you don't have any more adjustment there, we're going to go into the adjustment plate and adjust that. So okay. I'm going to run this back in.
Yeah, run those both back in.
Yeah.
And we're going to get overall more adjustment room.
Correct.
By going around the front and doing that.
And you don't want to leave that out, because if you have this properly adjusted, that might give it too much assist.
Gotcha.
So I'm going to take this off. This is a 3/8. And just take these two screws out.
Two of them on there. This hood will drop down. Drop the handlebars. And then, of course, Matt, being the shop supervisor, always puts the screws back in the holes. Don't want to lose those, right?
Nope, don't want to lose them. All right, so now I'm going to loosen this plate so we can adjust it. And these are 2 1/2-inch.
Gotcha.
And just loosen that just a little. And then I'll just take a spark plug tool and create a little gap with that hex bolt and right in here. And depending on how worn your brake is, the more of a gap you'll need to make there to get that properly adjusted.
Gotcha.
But let's say that's where you want it to be. I can take these two.
Tighten those back up.
Tighten them back up. And then pull this out, and that's going to leave a gap.
Got it.
Right in that hex nut. Now, in order to save your place in case this nut ever becomes loose, you don't want to lose your place. So I'm just going to loosen this. This is a 3/16 Allen and a 7/16 socket. Just loosen that, and then run that up just until it comes to the bottom. And that way, if that ever gets loose again, your steering will stay the same. So now that you have that, you can put your handlebar cover back on. And as long as this is properly adjusted, the next time that you need to get a little more steering assist, you can just take those 2 9/16 wrenches, adjust that out a little more, and you should be good to go.
There you have it. Smart steer adjustment on the Permagreen. Pretty easy. Love it. More how-to videos. We've got them. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you need parts, you know where to get those now. Go to permagreen.com.